The Police and Fire Federal Credit Union offers a credit card lineup that cuts through the noise of typical big bank marketing by focusing on a low-cost structure and straightforward terms. The primary options available are the Rewards Visa and the Classic Visa, both of which operate on a variable interest rate system tied directly to the prime rate. As of February 2, 2026, new cardholders are greeted with an introductory offer of 0% APR for the first 9 months after the account is opened. This introductory rate is particularly flexible because it applies not just to new purchases but also to balance transfers and cash advances. Once that initial 9-month window closes, the standard variable APR kicks in based on an assessment of creditworthiness. The lowest available tier starts at 12.65%, which is calculated as prime plus 5.9%. For those in the middle tier, the rate sits at 16.65% or prime plus 9.9%. A significant benefit of dealing with a federally chartered credit union is the interest rate cap, meaning the maximum APR is strictly limited to 18%, even for those in the highest risk tier. This is a massive advantage when compared to many retail or national bank cards that often see rates soaring well past 25 or 30%. One of the most compelling reasons to look at these cards is the aggressive elimination of common nuisance fees. There are $0 annual fees, $0 balance transfer fees, and $0 cash advance fees. This makes the card an incredibly effective tool for anyone dealing with the pain point of high interest debt elsewhere. Being able to move a balance without paying a 3 to 5% transfer fee is a rare find. For those who choose the Rewards Visa, the program allows for the accumulation of unlimited points that can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, Mondice, or even cash deposited directly into a PFFCU account. Another standout feature for people who need solutions quickly is the same-day card issuance at branch locations, which completely removes the typical week-long wait for a piece of plastic to arrive in the mail. Transparency is also a high priority, as cardholders get a free FICO score updated quarterly on their statements, helping them keep a close eye on their overall financial health. However, there are specific limitations and risks to consider before jumping in. The most notable drawback is the strict cap on unsecured credit. PFFCU maintains a policy where the total combined unsecured credit across all products, including the Visa card, personal lines of credit, and signature loans, cannot exceed $30,000. This can be a significant hurdle for high-income earners or individuals who already have existing loans with the credit union and need a higher revolving limit. Additionally, accessibility is a factor since membership is required. This usually means being part of specific employment groups like police or fire departments or living within specific geographic areas served by the credit union. While the 18% cap is great, the fact that the rates are variable means the interest cost will fluctuate monthly based on the actions of the Federal Reserve. If the prime rate goes up, the monthly interest charge follows suit. There is also a trade-off for those who choose the Classic Visa, as it lacks the points earning potential of the Rewards version. Ultimately, these cards are designed for the pragmatic consumer who values long-term savings and low fees over flashy luxury perks. It is an ideal fit for someone looking to consolidate debt or avoid the predatory fee structures of larger institutions. It is less ideal for someone seeking premium travel benefits like airport lounge access or those who require a very high credit limit above the $30,000 threshold. The biggest risk factor remains the variable nature of the APR, which means that while the 18% cap provides a safety net, the actual cost of carrying a balance can change as the economy shifts. It is a solid, dependable financial tool that rewards membership with transparency and some of the most competitive fee structures in the current market, provided the user stays within the credit union's total lending limits.